Watching this video here for your day 3. Here's the read aloud for the poem that's here. So this, you want to make sure that you're listening to this so that way you understand what's going on in the poem. For your vocabulary, you have dun, which is a dull grayish brown color, damasked, which is decorated with, reeks, smell strongly and unpleasantly, it stinks, tread, to walk in a specific way, belied is to fail to give a true impression of contradict. Here's your poem. Make sure you're using the read aloud here. Question 9. This section is for you to take notes if you need it. Otherwise, you should be taking notes on a separate piece of paper. You have your literal meaning, deeper meaning, and poetic techniques that contribute to the meaning. Question 10. Reread lines 1 through 4. What does the speaker compare his mistress's eyes and hair to? What does this comparison reveal about the way the speaker feels about his mistress? Be careful. The speaker is saying that her eyes and hair are not like something, so think about what this tells you as you write your response to this question. I'm going to go back up and read lines through 4. My mistress's eyes are nothing like the sun. Coral is far more red than her lips red. If snow be white, then why are her breasts dun? If hairs be wires, black wires grow on her head. You're going to make sure you type your answer in here. Question 11. Reread lines 5 through 12. What does the speaker reveal about his subject? I have seen roses damasked, red and white, but no such roses see I in her cheeks, and in some perfumes is there more delight than the breath that's from my mistress's reeks. What is the speaker revealing about his subject here? Reread lines 13 and 14. We see the phrase, and yet, in line 13, which signals a change in the poem. What does the speaker claim about his love for the mistress in line 13? So thinking about the line, and yet, what's the change here? And yet, by heaven, I think my love is rare, and as any she belied with false compare. Which lines from Sonnet 130 best reveal the speaker's change in attitude? And in some perfumes is there more delight than in the breath from my mistress reeks. I love to hear her speak, yet I know that music hath a far more pleasing sound. See, I grant I never saw a goddess go. My mistress, when she walks, treads on the ground. D. And yet, by heaven, I think my love is rare, as belied with false compare. Which lines from Sonnet 130 best reveal the speaker's change in attitude?